Looking for a crossover that blends sleek design, cutting-edge tech, and eco-friendly performance? The all-new 2026 Mazda CX-30 Hybrid is here, and it's redefining what a hybrid can be. Stick around as we break down its stunning design, high-tech interior, and powerful yet efficient hybrid engine. Let's dive in. A design. Mazda's legendary Kodo design language gets even sleeker with the 2026 CX-30 Hybrid. Sculpted lines and a dynamic silhouette make it look like it's moving, even when parked. Plus, the all-new ethereal blue metallic paint, exclusive to hybrids, highlights its eco-friendly edge. Luxury interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by premium materials. Soft leather, sleek metallic accents, and intuitive controls. Mazda's driver-focused cockpit ensures everything is within easy reach, blending elegance with next-gen tech for a truly immersive experience. Power and efficiency in perfect harmony. Under the hood, the CX-30 Hybrid pairs a 2.5-litre four-cylinder engine with an electric motor and lithium-ion battery pack. The result? A smooth, responsive ride that doesn't sacrifice fuel efficiency. Mazda proves hybrids can be both thrilling and sustainable. With its bold design, premium interior, and advanced hybrid system, the 2026 CX-30 Hybrid is built for drivers who want style, performance, and a greener footprint. Mazda isn't just keeping up with the times, it's setting the standard. So, what do you think? Is the 2026 Mazda CX-30 Hybrid the perfect blend of luxury, tech, and eco-conscious driving? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on the latest car releases. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.